How to import contact from Gmail to iPhone. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open settings application in your mobile device. Once you open the settings, you want to go ahead and scroll below and then simply tap on apps. Inside apps, search for contacts and then tap onto it. Now inside contacts, go ahead and tap on contacts accounts. And then under accounts, if you see Gmail, go ahead and tap onto it. If you don't, tap on add account and then simply tap on Google and then log in to your Google account. So once you're logged into your account, you'll then be able to find Gmail right over here. So go ahead and tap onto it. So you want to make sure that contact is toggled on. So once it is toggled on, head back to your home screen and then check the contacts inside your mobile device. And just like so, you'll then be able to import contacts from Gmail to iPhone. Well, that is simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.